Ionomics uses powerful and broadly applicable methods to analyze the elemental composition of living organisms. These methods can be applied to simultaneously quantify the amount of essential minerals in foods that are important to human health, as well as potentially toxic elements in food, such as arsenic, cadmium, and lead. The PTFI has developed a reliable and adaptable ionomics method that is based on commonly available instrumentation. This method allows us to quantify dozens of biologically relevant elements in diverse food matrices, even though the concentration of these elements vary over broad ranges. In this module, you will learn about the elements that the PTFI is interested in measuring, methods for quantifying these elements in food, and how the data being generated can be useful across a broad range of applications. Let's get started.